Yeah, another one I've been testing in the 6.8 Western. This is the Winchester XPR 22-inch compact. So the 130 grain Nosler ballistic tip. Uh, I've been testing various charges and such, and I found a good option here. I'm using H4350 powder, but yeah, this was with almost a max charge of 57 grains. And it got an SD of 10.3, almost single digits. So really, it liked that. It definitely liked it faster. 3194 feet per second average. Now this is 3 shots, and that's two bullets. And I actually pulled this one to the left. That probably would have been about right there. So this is going to be the 130 Nosler ballistic tip is going to be an excellent option in the 6.8 Western. Seating depth just basically had it about to what it says, about the 2.90. Maybe a little bit out from that. So 57 grains. And yeah, I pulled that one even to the left, but that's 2 holes right there. You might be able to tell on back, I don't know, but yeah, you can kind of basically tell that's 2 different holes. That's 1 hole, that's 2 different holes. And yeah, if I can maybe show that a little bit better, if I can even feel it. I can't really feel it. You can tell it's 2 holes though. I mean, if you look at this one, let me see here. Paper ripped or something, but you can tell that's 1 hole. Well, you can see the ring of the outer ring. See that little moon, and that's a different one. That's one, and that's a different one. That's two bullets in basically the same hole, and I pulled that one right there to the left. That would have basically all been near the same hole. So the 130 Nosler. This was the other group, and it wasn't that far off. I only did 2 shots, but that was 54.8 grain charge. That got 3110 average. The SD was 5 on that one. The SD was 10.3 on this one. So, I mean, either way, they're both really good. And accuracy, this one is definitely going to be tighter if you don't pull a shot. This one I felt good about both of those, and that's still MOA, maybe sub. But this one's a better option here. And look at these numbers, because this one, even though it's a 130, it has a G1BC of 0.433. So you're getting almost 3,200 feet per second. Actually, it jumped over that for one of those and pretty much near it on a second one. But 2,200 foot-pounds at 200. It's only dropping 2 inches at 200, 9 inches at 300, and 21.5 inches at 400. For a 130 grain, it's still packing 1,600 foot-pounds of energy at 400 yards. I think it was even like over 1,500 at 500 yards. So this thing is just insane. Very, very solid option for whitetail, sheep, man. If definitely like out west, this is a very, very good option. It'll definitely do sub MOA. I think it'll almost put them in the same hole. If you had a rest, this is off of a bipod at 100 yards. So yeah, very, very good one. 130 grain Nosler ballistic tip and the 6.8 Western.